How to fix Instagram call not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram call not working on Android phone. All you need to do is easy, just go to settings and then scroll until you find apps and then click apps again, and here just type Instagram, click on it and then click permissions. Now all you need to do, just you need to find the camera and the microphone, just enable. You will find it like that. Just click on it and click allow, and then go back and clear cache here. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.